Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I am getting sister lock. I'm so excited to document my journey of wanting to walk into the locked world. We are blocking out 3 days for this process due to the density of my hair. So we'll see if I even need 3 days. Maybe I'll just need 2. But I have up to 14 inches of fairly thick natural hair. I've been natural for about 7 years now, and I'm just really excited to start this new chapter of natural hair. A little bit about myself. My name is Vanessa. As I mentioned earlier, I am based in Boston-ish, Massachusetts. I say Boston-ish because I'm in the suburbs, and anyone who is from Massachusetts will be like, girl, you ain't from Boston. But I always say Boston because people not from Massachusetts are kind of like, never heard of it before. But everybody knows Boston. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna keep it as Boston-ish, Massachusetts. So I'm in Boston and I've been natural for about 7 years, and it's been a whole lot of fun, I guess, but I'm ready for that fun to be a little over. I started my natural hair journey in about 2011. If my math is off, don't judge me because I don't know math, and I'm okay with that. I've learned to deal with that fact. So in 2011, I became natural. I transitioned for about 9 months, and then I decided to do the big chop. And my big chop experience was horrible because I had fairly decent length, relaxed hair, but even though it was thin, and so when I chopped it, I went home, I didn't tell anybody I was gonna cut it, and then I just showed people my cut hair and everyone hated it, but I was like, I'm gonna rock this anyways and just do what I gotta do, because I did not want to go back to relaxed hair. So I went through that phase of staying on YouTube for hours at a time, watching natural hair videos, watching natural hair YouTubers like Natural and just so many different YouTubers, and learning as much as I could. And so it really helped me on my journey. And as my hair got longer, I was able to find my groove. I was able to find what worked, what didn't work, and it was great. But now I'm at the point where my hair is really long for me. It's thick, and ain't nobody got time for this no more. I really don't. And though I love being natural, it looks gorgeous, but I no longer find combing through my natural hair therapeutic. I don't want to wear braids for, months on end, and I'm tired of before a vacation, I gotta pre-plan, pre-think, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna style it? What style is gonna last over a certain amount of days? Can I swim? Can I not swim? Can I go to the beach? Can I go in hot weather? Cold weather? The humidity, the shrinkage. There's just so much going on with natural hair, and I've fallen out of love with it, sadly. And I don't find taking care of it therapeutic or fun anymore. My hair right now, to be honest, my hair is probably locking as I speak, because that's the kind of hair that I have. It shrinks up and it locks, and right now if I try to run my fingers through it, couldn't do it. So it's all fun and games until you gotta run a comb through it. And that is why, or part of the reason why I am so excited to finally lock my hair. It's not something I just woke up yesterday and thought, I'm gonna do this. It's been a long time coming. I've been thinking about it for years, and I'm finally ready to make that jump, I guess. So yeah, I hope that you join me on this journey. of getting sister locks. I'm so excited. I wanted to create this channel to help those who are thinking about it. I'll sort of be your guinea pig. You can decide if you want to do this or not. If you're interested in my journey, I will link all of my social media accounts down below. There's not that many. I think I only consistently maybe sort of kind of keep up with Instagram, but it's there, and I've got all sorts of natural hair pictures, so you'll be able to see my wash and goes, blowouts, twist outs, braid outs, all the outs. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos very soon. Thank you.